Hi YouTube, this is Kavil coming back to you today with another video. So today I'm doing my son box braid and I just wanted to come on video and share it with you. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So let's get into this box braid. So this hair is freshly washed and he wants the sides of his hair to be shaved, so I'll be doing the shaving before I start the box braid. So I'll be using my peanut shaver, which I mostly use for lining, but it can do the shave, and there will be no guard on the shaver. It's just because he wants his sides to be really short or low. So this is the complete look of the shape of his sides, and now I'm going to go into the box braid. Guys, I love doing box braid, especially just doing the box braid on the natural hair without putting any filler or any extension. So I'll be blow drying his hair because his hair it's washed but it's a little bit shrink, and I just wanted to get more length, so I'll use a blow dry to blow dry. However, some clients, or I do their hair, I'll put flat iron to get the length also, but in this case my client doesn't want any heat on his hair. So I'll start at the back of the head and I'll work my way up to the front of the head. And I'll be doing today bricklayer pattern. That's my favorite pattern that I use for any box braids or any two-strand twists. So the product that I'll be using today, I can't forget that out. I'll be using the jam, and I'll be using the beeswax. So the beeswax hold the hair together, and the jam just do the finish look by keeping frizz and making it smooth. So I love these two products together. So I start my part and I'll be doing not a small box braid today. I'll be doing it's a little bit, I would say medium size to close to bigger, and I just wanted to try this type of, that size today, make it go faster because I don't want to do a long video, so I'll be doing that size, and I love that size, right? It's just go faster, doing this box braid. And this box braid should take you at least 45 minutes to an hour because of his sides are shaved. His hair is in a good condition. It's easier. It make it easier to work with, and I enjoy doing the box braid on his hair. This is really how the box braid go. You could hold the box braid in any particular way you want or comfortable to hold it. So let's explain how I achieve my box braid. So I'll section the hair into 3 sections, and I'll start on the right section, crossing that right section all the way to the left, and then I'll cross the left section all the way to the right, and you continue braid in that rhythm by crossing over from the right to the left and to the left to the right. It's also based on which hand, if you're right hand or you're left-handed, but whichever hand you're comfortable to start with, you could do that. But because I'm right-handed, I start by crossing the hair from my right to the left and then from the left to the right, and that's how I achieve my braids, and you'll braid the hair all the way to the end. normally you can use, if you have an issue keeping your box braid down, you could use after. Don't really focus on that, because you could use some mousse and put a do-rag or whatever on the client here, and this box braid will just lie very nice. I'm doing the box braid going to the front because he likes his braids to the front of his head so it can frame the face. So this is the final look for the box braid. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell, so whenever Kavil upload a video, you will be notified. Guys, I'm thanking you guys so much for whosoever is subscribing, whosoever is supporting me watching my video. I am truly grateful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.